Want to find out the winner of the Ninja Air Fryer from last week's Review to You video? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a bunch of gadget nerds who were lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Buying Voices program. 3 times a week, we review all these cool products and give them away for free. All of our subscribers, they get involved. There's Men's Mondays, Wednesday for Women, and Friday Fun Day for the kids and the whole family. Every product we review is up for grabs. To be in the running, you have to be subscribed to the channel, have liked the video, and typed in the comments section of that video the code word we mentioned throughout the video. But for now, let's announce a winner. Last week for Women's Wednesday, we reviewed the Ninja Air Fryer and gave it a perfect score of 5 out of 5 stars. So, which lucky subscriber gets to take it home? And the winner of the Ninja Air Fryer is Michelle Peveto. Congratulations, Michelle. We're going to get this packaged up and sent out to you ASAP. If you want the chance to be a winner like Michelle, you can start by subscribing to Review to You and turning on your post notifications so you can be one of the first to enter our product review and giveaways. We do them 3 times every single week. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. For Matt and Gary, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye now.